So if you're trying to learn how to make money, you're tired of all the side hustles, all the different businesses, and you want to learn how to make money in a relatively simple way, in a passive way that's not going to stress you out, this is exactly it. I promise you, I've done a lot of things in my career: ATMs, trucking, digital marketing agency, starting a business. One of the most profitable and passive things I did was learn how to swing trade. There's this method I developed called the 10-minute trade, okay? And what it allows you to do is be able to identify trades in 10 minutes or less and execute it and make 50%, 100%, 200% on your money in just 7 days or less. Literally, I use this exact same method to turn $1,500 into 3K in less than 6 days, and then 30K to 60K in less than 3 weeks. So this not just fluff. This is something that I've been doing over and over and over again since 2016. And it's time for me to reveal the secret. So this video is all about a breakdown where I show you how not only did I make 50% on a trade, but one of my students took the trade I suggested and then made $4,500 in less than 24 hours. So let's first get into the results. This is the student right here. She messaged me. She said, "Hey, Josh, I'm up 78% on the Junes and 40% on the Julys." Okay. And I asked her, "You're funny. How much did you make on the trade?" And she said she made $4,500. Guys, let me tell you something. This trade is in less than 24 hours. Okay. And I can prove it. As you can see here, yesterday, I sent out a message to the group. I said, "Hey, I want to get into these Tesla plays." I actually called it out for the group and they entered it. And then today, literally at 10:20 a.m. yesterday to about 9:47 a.m. today, people made over 50% on their trade. And this is my screenshot of my account where I'm currently up 50% on this trade. Right now, I'm actually up about 85% on this trade right now as we speak. Okay. But the point right here is, like, if you had put $1,000 into the market, you would have ended up with $1,500 in 24 hours. If you'd put $10,000 into this move, you'd have made you'd have been up $15,000. Okay. If you'd put $50,000 into this move, you'd have woke up today with a 75K account. Okay. If you'd put 100K in this move, you get it, right? 50% at least on this move, right? And that's what I made. My students here, like I showed you, for example, were able to make 78% on some of their moves and 40% on others, because I teach you guys to stagger your contracts in this training. Okay, you can check the first link below for a full trading breakdown of this strategy. So those are the results. And this is not uncommon. I do this over and over and over again. But what is the strategy we actually utilize? This is the important part that you need to pay attention to right here, okay? The strategy we actually utilize is this. Let me move this up here so I can really zoom in on this and show you guys. The strategy that we utilize is this, okay? The first thing we trade is options. That's the first key. When I day trade futures, but when I'm swinging, I swing options. Why? Because options gives you the most leverage in your money, and I found the work the best with this strategy. Okay, it's a 10-minute strategy, and the reason I call it a 10-minute strategy is that if you can't spot this opportunity after looking at a chart in 10 minutes, then you're thinking too hard. Okay, so we're trading options because we can make money when the market goes up. You buy calls, and you can make money when the market goes down. You buy puts. It's very simple to do this. Now, there's another video I can go into the exact technicals of how to do this. I actually did a full breakdown in the first link below. But as you guys can see, okay, we bought puts, so we made money as the market went down. The timing, okay, this is very key. The timing you want to look at is this. You want to make sure that you're looking at a daily chart, okay, the 1-day chart. Why the 1-day chart? Because the type of trades I like to get in within 10 minutes and be out within 7 to 10 days. If I'm usually in a trade more than 7 to 10 days, it's usually for 2 reasons. Reason number 1, okay, I've been so much profit, I'm letting it ride. I'm up 3x on my money, so I'm letting the trade ride. Reason number 2, I'm up about 50% and I want to make more money on it, okay? If I'm usually down on the trade 10 days, no, I'm cutting it within 48 hours. So this trade is a very ruthless trade. It either hits or it doesn't. Okay. And that goes to my next point, which is risk management. Okay. Risk management is how much you're willing to risk on a trade versus how much you're going to make. So I like a 1-2 or 1-4 risk management. What does that mean? That means on any given trade I enter. So for example, on this trade that we entered, if I was down 25% on that trade, no matter what happens, I am cutting it. Why am I cutting it? Because it's supposed to be a quick hit. You get into this trade, you make your money, and you get out. And the reason 25% is my standard is because my profit target is usually 50 to 100%. So like you said, I made 50% on this trade in 24 hours. It was good enough for me. I cut it. Now my student made 78%, a blended about 60%. In 24 hours, they cut it. They took their profit. And I'm literally doubling or tripling my accounts literally in months, okay? In 6 months, I was able to triple my account with my students as well. So what I was able to do is literally follow this 1-2 risk management practice to make sure that even though I might take a loss here or there, my account keeps on growing and compounding. Number two, the setup. It's very simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Okay, there are 4 setups that I use, but the most simple one that I teach is the trend line break. Write that down. The trend line break. So how it works pretty much is based on the law of momentum. When the market has a certain level of momentum, it's going to be hard for it to reverse all of a sudden unless there's a major catastrophic event like a COVID or like, God forbid, a 9/11. And those type of events happen like once a decade, once every 15 years. So nothing you really need to stress about. And then there's ways to protect yourself. Again, 25% you cut it in case that happens. But unless you're having one of those major market meltdowns, you're able to go ahead and make money and compound your account over and over and over again. So how it works is very simple. The market moves up and down like this, okay? You draw a trend line across the market. Very simple. If it breaks down, you get into puts. If it breaks up, you get into calls. That is as simple as it is. Okay, I can go into a PhD level dissertation on this. I've been doing this for 15 years. Trust me, because you're trying to catch the momentum of this. Now, your mind is probably going crazy. Like, how is this possible? Can they really make money like this? Is this consistent? I've been doing this for 10 years, and I can show you testimonials over testimonials over testimonials, how I've been doing this myself. Also, my students have been making crazy amount of money. Like, for example, one of my students used this method to make 5 figures and write her mom a $10,000 check for Christmas. Okay, literally doubling, tripling their money overnight. So if you want to learn how to do this, I'm actually going to go into the charts right now and show you the full breakdown. So guys, this trade is very simple. Okay, it's a trend line, and I actually broke down the full trading in below is the first link in my bio. But it's really as simple as a trend line. I saw this trade yesterday. All I did was draw a trend line and make sure it connected. Okay, so I drew a trend line, and the trend line has to touch at least 2 spots. I saw yesterday that we broke this trend line. So what did I do? I entered shorts, and today, boom, we're all the way down there. Now, we're up 50% right now. We could go even lower. Okay, this is the next place of resistance. This is where I expect the market to come to. Okay, but so far already in this trade, we're already up 50%, okay? Some of my students were a little bit nervous, so they took profit a little bit earlier. There's nothing wrong with that. But just so you can see how simple this trade is, okay? This is called a trend swing trade, okay? And it's on the daily chart. And I do trades like this at least once or twice a month. They pop up. I call it a 10-minute trade. It literally takes me 10 minutes to draw the line and another 10 minutes to execute, and then I make money. So I have a group with students where I actually tell them what I see, and they actually take action on it. So if you want to kind of get more information on this strategy and how it actually works, literally you should be able to do this in 10 minutes or less. Okay, I actually created a full trading program of this for something that's literally less than a night out to eat. Okay, so go ahead and grab that below. but this strategy is very simple on the downside. Okay. Once we break the trend line, I get into the trade. I don't think too much about it. I just execute and I make money. Okay. And it seems super simple because it is, but that's the point. That's how you make money super simply. And the beauty of how we trade, especially when we're trading options, is we can make money when the market goes up and when the market goes down. So in this situation, the market went down and my student made $4,500. You guys can see the screenshot up here pretty soon. So that's pretty much how the strategy works from beginning to end. And you can go ahead and start using this today.